Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn on incognito mode using Android and the Google Chrome browser. Let's get started. First of all, you have to unlock your phone and open the Google Chrome browser. You have to tap the three dots menu in the top right corner of the screen. Tap the three dots icon to open the menu, and here you have to tap on New Incognito tab. A new tab will open with a dark screen and an incognito icon, which means private browsing is now active. So now you can search and browse normally. While using incognito mode, your browsing history won't be saved. Cookies and site data are deleted after you close the tab. Your searches won't appear in your browser history. So when you are finished, tap the tab switcher at the top and close the incognito tab. Once closed, the session data will be removed. That's how you can use incognito mode on Android for private browsing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.